Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide video on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, you may have personal or sensitive videos that you don't want others to accidentally stumble upon when they use your device. So, by hiding these videos, adds an extra layer of privacy. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open the Settings app on your device, and then locate the privacy option and click to select it. Okay, next, from the various menus, choose X Hide, and you can create a password, or you can also change it here. After that, click on the next tab and confirm the previous password. And then click OK. And in this section, I will choose to skip and open the videos menu. After that, you can click on the plus sign below. Then select the video you want to hide. And then click confirm. And now your video is successfully hidden. This process allows you to maintain the privacy of your videos by storing them in a secure and hidden location on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide video on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.